Okay, well, good morning from another really crisp, cold Edinburgh. You join me at the end of my week 4 here, right underneath Edinburgh Castle, right outside CodeClan. And this week we've been going over databases, same as last week, but this week we've been using Sinatra to get our Ruby files and our HTML to work together. So last night before we finished, we got given our final projects, the final projects for the module 1 that we've been doing, and we were able to choose whether we wanted to do it on a record store, a burger van, guess what I'm going to be doing it on, an animal shelter, and then or a money dashboard. So yeah, this morning I think at some point today I'm maybe going to be interviewing the new CEO of CodeClan, Melinda Matthews, and then we're just going to be going over all the UX paperwork that we need to get put in place for what to start the project, and then start just building the project, getting the fundamentals in place, getting the structure, the skeletons, the bare bones of the codes and the directories put in place. So yeah, I don't know how much I'm going to be filming today. I'm feeling like a bag of spanners today, so I might be leaving early, but we'll hit it there and see what's what. So one of the most important parts of any new project is planning. So together with Graham, Giuseppe and Douglas, we are all collectively thought about doing the burger app. So the burger app's going to have to tell a user where the best deals are at any given time of the week, how much they're going to be saving, and maybe even a collective total savings at the end. The first thing we've started to do is decide what tables we're going to need in our database, which is probably going to be the most challenging thing, because I thought when we first started thinking about the user experience and what the website is going to look like, it seemed quite simple, but now thinking of the back end, what tables are going to be involved, what's going to be in the database, it's become apparent that this one's probably going to be one of the harder out of the 4 choices that we've been allowed to choose from. So we've started getting some stuff on the board, started making some notes, and we're making some headway. So I think Melinda Matthews, the CEO, I think she's doing a talk next door, so I think we're just going to wait to listen to that, go for some lunch, and then carry on with this for the rest of this afternoon. Okay, so that's another Friday over, another week, probably the biggest week we've had since it was accumulating everything that we've learned up to now, and then given we a task, given we a project to start putting together for a final presentation next Friday. I've not been able to film anywhere near as much as I wanted to today. I was doing more of a group activity, just getting our planning process in place, getting our ideas put down on paper, drawn on the whiteboards, and just trying to think of what the finished product is going to look like before we actually start it. I think one of the things that I've had to learn is just don't just rush right ahead and start coding when you don't know what you're actually going to be coding yet. I think that sounds a bit counterproductive and counterintuitive, but it was good to spend time with Douglas, Giuseppe and Graham, just going over what we're actually going to be designing, who it's actually going to be designed for, and what it might end up looking like, and then what the back end code is going to look like. So yeah, next week, instead of doing all the filming on Friday, I think I might start doing a wee bit more filming during the week, going over the process and the progress of the final product, the final project, and then just give you an update next Friday when we'll be finished for the Christmas break. So yeah, thanks very much for sticking around for my 4th week on the road to code, and I'll check in with you in week 5. See ya.